My name is Fadul Rahman. I am a student of Group 17, Semester 4, International Medical University, and following is the topic of my discussion.
Today the topic of the discussion is drugs affecting on reproductive system. These two are the inside view of male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, releasing hormone. Uh, LHFSH is a hypothalamic decapable stimuli of synthesis of both luteinizing hormone LH and follicle stimulating hormone FSH within the anterior pituitary gland and their section in their secretion into the blood. Male reproductive system. A male who has reached puberty will produce millions of sperm cells every day. Each sperm is extremely small, only 0.05 millimeters long. Sperm develop in the testicle within a system of tiny tubes called the seminiferous tubules. A man produces sperm every day, but a full sperm regeneration cycle, spermatogenesis takes about 64 days. A female reproductive system. An egg is normally fertilized by a sperm cell in a fallopian tube. Within 9 days, the fertilized egg moves down the fallopian tube into the uterus. It then attaches implants to the walls of the uterus. After the fertilized egg implant, the growing placenta starts releasing HCG into blood. Some HCG also gets passed in urine. HCG can be found in the blood before the first menstrual period. This can be as early as 6 days after the egg implants. The male and female reproductive system is served for continuation of human reproduction. Human reproduction is any form of sexual reproduction resulting in human fertilization. It typically involves a sexual intercourse between man and a woman. Drugs affecting on male reproductive system. Classifications. Androgens. The generic names are Denosyl testosterone and methyl testosterone. Their brand names are Denocrine, Androdrum, Depotestosterone, Striant, Androgel, and Fortesta. Destrate and Virulin. Analogic steroids. The generic names are Oxandrolone and Oxymetholone. Their brand names are Oxyndrin and Anadrol 50. Penile erectile dysfunction drugs. The generic names are Alpostradiol, Sildenafil, Tadalafil, Vardenafil, and their brand names are Caverject Muse, Viagra, Revasho, Cialis, Adicira, Circa, Levitra, and Cetixen. uh, Denocrine is a synthesized steroid derived from testosterone. The medication is used in women to treat pelvic pain and infertility due to certain use disorder, and also used in both men and women to treat breast pain, tenderness, nodules due to a certain breast condition. Its internal doses are capsules 50 milligram, 100 milligram, and 200 milligram. Their half life is 3 to 10 hours. Their side effects are acne, decrease in breast size, weight gain, only oily skin or hair, flushing, sweating, vaginal dryness, burning, itching, or bleeding, nervousness. Androgens, depotestosterone, primary hypogonadism, congenital or acquired testicular failure due to conditions such as cryptorachidism, bilateral torsion or KTS, vanishing testile syndrome or ketotomy, Klinefelter syndrome, chemotherapy or toxic damage from alcohol or heavy metals. These men usually have low serum testosterone or concentration and gonadotropin, FSH, and LH above normal range. Their internal doses are capsules 158 milligram, 198 milligram, and 237 milligram. Half life is 8 days. Side effects: acne, decrease in breast size, weight gain, oily skin or hair, flushing, sweating, vaginal dryness, burning, itching, or bleeding, nervousness. Anabolic steroid. Oxandrolone is indicated as adjunctive therapy to promote weight gain after weight loss following extensive surgery, chronic infections, or severe trauma, and in some patients who, without definite pathophysiological reasons, fail to gain or maintain normal weight to offset the protein catabolism associated with prolonged administration of corticosteroids, and for the relief of bone pain frequently accompanying osteoporosis. Its internal doses are tablets ranging from 2.5 milligram to 10 milligram. Its half-life is 9.5 to 10.5 hours, 9.4 to 10.4 hours. Side effects are geriatric patients treated with androgenic anabolic steroids may be at increased risk for the development of prostatic hypertrophy and prostatic carcinoma. Anabolic steroids have not been shown to enhance athletic ability. Penile erectile dysfunctional drugs. Sideline Viagra, when sexual stimulation causes local release of nitrogen oxide, inhibition of a phosphatidylserase type 5 PDE5 by sildenafil causes increased level of GMP in the corpus cavernosum, resulting in smooth muscle relaxation and inflow of blood to the corpus cavernosum of penis is a mass of erectile tissue that lies along the underside of the penis and is located below the pair of corpus cavernosa, which contains 90% of the blood volume during a normal erection. Its internal doses are 50 milligram of tablets. Its half-life is 3 to 4 hours. Viagra may be taken anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours before sexual activity. The maximum recommended dosing frequency is once per day. Side effects are flushing, headache, dizziness, abnormal vision, blurred vision, changes in color of vision, sleep problems, insomnia, running, or stuffy nose. Drugs affecting on female reproductive system. Sex hormones are classified estrogens. The generic name is estradiol, estrogens, conjugated estrogen, estrophyte, estropipate. Their brand name are Estrus, SEC, Premarin, Menest, Ortho, Est, Ogin. Progesterone. Their generic names are desogestrel, drosophyronium, uh, etonogestrel, levonorgestrel, medroxyprogesterone, norethindrone acetate, norgestrel, progesterone generic. The brand names are Careva, Cyclasa, Yasmin, YAS, Implanon, Marina Plan B, Provera, Igestin, Orvella, and Ella. Uh, Estrogen receptor modulators. Their generic name are raloxifene and torimifene. Their brand names are Ervista and Ferrostrone. Fertility drugs. Their generic names are Catroxyl, Chronolic, Gonadotropin, Folutropin alpha, Folutropin beta, Ganirexil, Lutotropin alpha, Menotropin. The brand names are Cetrotide, Corex, Prophecy, Pregnile, Clomid, Gona F, Folistim, Antagon, Luvaris, Perigonol, and Repronexic. Uterine motility drugs. Oxytocin, ergonomine, it's methyl ergonomine, and oxytocin. The brand names are ergotrade, methyrogaine, pitocin, synthotoxin. Abortifacients. Its generic names are carboprost, dinoprostone, and mifepristone. The brand names are Hamabate, Carvedil, Perpetil gel, and Prostin E2. Contraceptives are the main given name to the medicine and other devices that are used to prevent and monitor pregnancy. Contraceptives may also be used as be referred to as birth control. Hormonal contraceptives consist of one or more synthetic female sex hormones. Hormonal contraceptives that contain both And estrogen and progesterone are called combined oral contraceptives (COCs). Those that contain just progesterone are called progestin only contraceptives. The generic name drospirenone and ethinyl contraceptives are the name given to medicines and other devices that are used to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Contraceptives may also be referred as birth control. Hormonal contraceptives consist of one or more synthetic female sex hormones. Contraceptives that contain both an estrogen and progesterone are called combined oral contraceptives. Those that contain just progesterone are called progestin-only contraceptives. Generic name drospirenone and ethinyl estradiol. The brand names are Gianvi, Jasmiel, Lorena, Nikki, Ocella, Saida. Their internal doses are oral tablet 3 milligram to 0.02 milligram, 3 milligram to 0.03 milligram. Half-life is from 25 to 53 hours. The mechanism of action is through the suppression of gonadotropin release from the hypothalamus. With the suppression of gonadotropin release ovarian stimulation and follicular maturation do not occur, uh, and the steroidal levels are low due to diminished follicular production. Common side effects are headache, changes in menstrual periods, vaginal bleeding between periods, missed irregular periods, nausea, vomiting, bloating, and stomach cramps. The generic names are levonorgestrel, and ethinyl steroidal. Brand names are Amethyst, Evian, and Lactoral. Their internal doses are oral tablet 0.09 milligram to 0.2 milligram. Their half-life is 36 to 13 hours. Mechanism of action is prevention of the surge of luteinizing hormone, thereby preventing ovulation. But progestins are also thicken the cervical mucus, alter the material lining to help prevent fertilization and implantation. Common side effects: nausea, vomiting, headache, abdominal cramps, bloating, breast tenderness, swelling of ankles, feet, or weight change may occur. Mirena resulting in torotine is a hormone releasing IUD, the first and only hormone releasing IUD that is FDA approved to treat heavy periods, also known as heavy menstrual bleeding (HMB), for up to 5 years in women who choose an IUD for birth control. The Mirena interactive device is inserted into the uterus of the healthcare provider using a special applicator. Short strings connected with the device extend beyond the cervix into the vagina and allow for device removal. Thank you for your attention.